Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Albion's Ribbon Bead Nozzle. Bucket Work Center from Klein Tools. The Bucket Work Center is an ecosystem that will revamp the way a lineman works. It allows linemen to customize their workspace, just like other professionals customize their office space. Laying hose pinch pliers. Hose pinch pliers comes in small, medium, and large size for all your hose pinch-off needs. This plier is designed with self-locking feature that holds after pressure is applied. Simply pull plier handles apart to release pressure. It is used to seal vacuum, fuel line, and radiator hoses, plus other flexible materials. This patent-pending offset design allows more access in hard-to-reach areas. Flexzilla Oscillating Lawn Sprinklers. Flexzilla Oscillating Lawn Sprinklers are essential tools for watering your lawn or garden. Waters a range up to 2,400 desk youth, using 18 durable jet nozzles. The range adjustment collar allows you to set the precise coverage area to efficiently water your yard. This proven design makes this sprinkler ideal for everyday watering needs. Wurth 16 pieces rivet nut. Magnespot. The Magnespot is an intelligent reference point locating tool. This tool has the ability to transmit through up to 60 inches of concrete with an audible range of over 96 inches, giving the installer directional signals to accurately locate a reference transmitter. The tool can be used for attic drop point location or drilling holes through thick structures such as walls, floors, basements, roofs, and most any type of structure found in buildings or homes. This system is intuitive, simple to use, and requires little or no training. The low cost and versatility of the Magnespot makes it a must-have for the professional installer. Klein heavy-duty battery carrier. Klein Tools heavy-duty battery carrier is designed for use on all batteries with horizontal ridges. With a sure grip handle and heavy-duty, non-slip, acid-resistant, riveted rubber grip pads, the B600 gives you a secure and firm hold on any battery up to 7-inch wide. The Aries flexible socket extension set helps give you just the right amount of extra reach and additional flexibility whenever and wherever you need it. Made of high-strength, heat-treated alloy steel, these corrosion-resistant extension spring shafts are coated in black oxide, and their drive ends are finished with chrome plating, making them perfect for industrial, mechanic, or construction work. Wurth joint head ratchet. The Mirka Universal Pad Washer. It is a professional system for cleaning all kinds of pads. It is designed to be used both with the circular and orbital polisher. The pad washer is a versatile and durable product. A clean pad ensures a good polishing result and extends the life of the polishing pads. Miltona Spot Overseeder-Spiker. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.